Hi, today we're unboxing the Pocketalk Plus voice translator. What's included? A quick start guide, Pocketalk with an embedded SIM chip and a 2-year global data plan, a USB Type-C charger cable, and a charging block. The front has a large touchscreen and talk button. The right side has a power button and volume control button. The left side has a SIM card slot. The back has a light and a text-to-translate camera. The bottom has a noise-canceling microphone and charging port. The top has a powerful speaker and another noise-canceling microphone. Pocketalk Plus is a multi-sensory, two-way translation device. It fits easily into the palm of your hand or pockets. Pocketalk Plus has an 85% larger touchscreen, providing text translation with better clarity and with longer battery life. It's designed to support extended use in a medical or educational setting. Pocketalk is able to support over 80 different languages and is designed for conversations. So speak the way you normally do, in full sentences. Usando os melhores mecanismos de tradução de todo o mundo, o Pocketalk oferece uma experiência consistente e precisa, detectando dialetos e gírias locais.
Utilizing the best translation engines from around the world, Pocketalk provides a consistently accurate experience by picking up localized dialects and slang.
Let me show you how. On the home screen, choose your 2 languages. Tap on the language name to get a list of other languages to choose from. Once your 2 languages are chosen, choose the direction of the translation by tapping the arrow icon. Then, press and hold down the physical talk button the entire time you're speaking. When finished, let go of the button and the translation will be provided. Hello, how are you?
Olá, como está?
Pocketalk makes conversation between 2 languages natural. Once you're finished your translation, tap on the arrow button so the next speaker can speak without having to switch back to the home screen. This works even in noisy conditions. The dual microphone has noise cancellation, which makes it useful in any setting, even noisy stadiums, medical facilities, classrooms, or in restaurants. Cleverly designed, microphones are on both sides, so you don't have to rotate your device to get clear translations. It supports Wi-Fi and also includes a 2-year data plan that provides coverage in over 130 countries. Whether you're working or traveling, you can confidently communicate with anyone when you need it the most using Pocketalk. Another feature is the text-to-translate camera. The camera translates text, written word, and signs via proprietary SourceNext technology. On the home screen, press the camera button at the top. The device takes a photo, converts the image into text, and translates the text on top of the image. Pocketalk can also provide the camera-translated text into an audio readout in the native language.
Olá.
Hello.
Conveniently, there's a built-in conversion calculator. It can compute exchanges for currency, length, width, and temperature. On the home screen, press the currency button. Let's use currency as an example. Tap on the currency name to get the list of other currency to choose from. Once your 2 currencies are chosen, simply type in the amount, and rest assured, the conversion rates are updated daily. For other conversions, simply repeat the same process as the currency. With a dedicated translation device, you can save power on your phone and use it when you really need to. Designed with a larger, built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it can last for 192 hours of standby time or 5.5 hours of continuous translation. Even if your phone is out of power, your Pocketalk isn't. This all-in-one device translates over 80 languages, has a text-to-translate camera, and a built-in conversion calculator. Designed for communication, Pocketalk, found in translation.